Here is another backing from a U-turn. You do the U-turn because this is blind backing. Because on the right hand side where you cannot see it, you cannot see how to get into it. So this is the way I would do it. Here is my the back of my trailer. You come to the spot and you look carefully on both sides to see. Yes, you can see the orange, I mean the yellow lines are okay, have enough room. Once you get to this spot, you start to turning a cute U-turn. There is a truck in front of me that can be an obstruction, but here is the way I avoid it. Look behind me, everything is turning okay. Here is in front of me and here is behind me. I'm doing alright. Come here, you look, I still have to go forward. I might have to do some work now. So I have to straighten myself in the front. At least I have a good idea how the tail is going to get to the spot. From here I can see it, and from here I have no obstruction. So I have a very smooth turn, smooth curve. Just take my time very slowly and see how many corrections I have to do. Doesn't look bad at all. That's beautiful. Just rolling into it. Just let it roll. Yes, perfect. Almost no correction at all. Just slow rolling, and it is finding its way in the slot. That's perfect. I did not make any correction, just slow, fine adjustment. So you get better in it. When you keep doing it, you get much better in it. That is perfect, right? With a single hand. Look at that. That's perfect. Let us see how it looks from down there. Yeah. This side they have a minimum of 1 foot from the line. That's perfect. That was an easy one.